That's it. You all saw it. President Clark failed the mighty. Please.
Someone want to get Fatty the crowd breather and oxygen mask? I'm not gonna carry him if he passes out.
Wow. Where did all monsters come from? They ran in 2 years ago.
Ratchet? Ratchet? Yeah, pal? I believe I may have found something.
Oh my.
What you got?
Hollow Diary, entry 005. They came during the night. Hundreds of them, and they attacked without warning. I stood atop Zuzo Fields and watched in horror as Commander Smog and his armies lay waste to Uzo City. Through ribbons of fire, I saw my creation, bloated and terrible, a deadly moon hanging silently amongst the destruction. Ephemerus. What plans does my enemy have for this ark? I can't explain it, but I feel as if some dark fate haunts us all from the future. And Ephemerus is the key. These things will not stop with madness. We are simply the first steps. And I, Dr. Frumpus Croyd, cannot shake the feeling that it was my work that made it possible.
Oh my.
According to this hollow journal, whoever is controlling Ephemerus has a plan for these monsters. Ratchet, I have a bad feeling about this. We must find Commander Smog at once.
What the? Hey, wait for me!
Your voice modulator is damaged, Commander. But if you tell us how to defeat Ephemerus, I believe I know someone who can fix you.
Well, I don't like to brag, but I did modify my crotchetizer with a special vibrating function I call the Happy Platypus.
What? When you struck out? And what's a platypus? I'm a skunk from humble. I love platypus. Yeah, I don't get it.
Beg your pardon, Court, but I was referring to him.
Are you insane?
If I may, being evil has not worked out well for you these last few years. Perhaps using your intelligence for good will yield better results.
All right, fine. But speak of this to no one.
Oh my!
All right, Spock, we did our part. Now how do we defeat Ephemerus?
Only the architect knows. He lives beyond the lighthouse, in the forest of the Blue Rocks.
You did the right thing, Doctor.
Get back.
Yes.